In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove Dropbox from your computer. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few simple steps. So, let's get started right away. First, open your browser and navigate to the Dropbox homepage by entering www.dropbox.com in the address bar. You may need to log in with your account details if you haven't done so yet. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to orient yourself with the layout if you're not already familiar. This main page is where you'll typically find access to your Dropbox files and settings. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu that contains various options related to your account. We are focused on accessing the settings, so in this menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. Upon clicking Settings, you'll notice different tabs or sections that manage various features of your Dropbox account. Among these, you'll want to head over to the Security tab. This section is crucial as it gives an overview of important security details concerning your account, such as password management, two-step verification, and importantly, linked devices. In the Security panel, scroll down until you find the Devices section. This section lists all the devices that are currently connected to your Dropbox account. It's essential to periodically review these devices to ensure your account security. Here, you will see your computer listed, along with any other devices that might be linked. Next to each device entry, you'll find an icon that resembles a trash bin. This is your tool for unlinking the devices you no longer wish to keep connected. Find the entry corresponding to the computer you want to disconnect, and click on this trash bin icon. As a confirmation step, a pop-up dialog will appear, asking if you're sure about unlinking the selected device. It's a safety mechanism to prevent accidental unlinking. So, review the prompt carefully. If you've made up your mind and are sure this is the action you want to take, proceed by selecting Unlink to confirm. By following these steps, you've successfully removed Dropbox from your computer, freeing up resources and ensuring your files are no longer synced to that particular device. This can be a helpful action if you're troubleshooting, disposing of, or simply reorganizing the devices connected to your account. Remember, regular checks and updates to your account settings can significantly enhance both your personal security and Dropbox experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.